Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about Kerala PSC recruitment for 2021. Here are the basic details. The organization name is Kerala Public Service Commission. The post names are Assistant Professor, Veterinary Surgeon, Overseer, Lower Division Typist, Electrician, Film Officer, Part-time Junior Language Teacher, Police Constable, Lab Technician, Junior Public Health Nurse, etc. So here are the list of vacancies or the post names which are open. So you can check out this accordingly. Further, the basic details for the total number of vacancies that you should know. There are 358 vacancies. The starting date has already been started and the closing date will be on 21st of January 2021. The application mode is online. The job location will be in Kerala. This is the official website. If you need more information, you can check out the official website. The vacancy details are as follows. For the post of Assistant Professor in Family Medicine, there are 2 posts. Assistant Professor in Dermatology and Veterinology, there are 10. For Overseer Group 2 or Draftsman, there are Group 2, there are 51. For Electrician, there are 1. For Film Officer, 1. For Sound Engineer, 1. For Assistant Manager Electrical, there are 1. For Office Assistant, there are 1. For Typist Grade 2, there are 2. And furthermore, the post for UP School Teacher, there are 30. For Part-time Junior Language Teacher Urdu, there are 3. For Lab Technician Grade 2, Special Recruitment for SC, ST and ST only, there are 25. For Junior Public Health Nurse Grade 2, there are 11. For Police Constable, there are 132. So here are the list of the post names and there are the number of vacancies which are mentioned to the right side of the screen. Furthermore, for the post of the Instructor in Commerce, there are 1. For Overseer Grade 2, Draftsman Grade 2, there are 1. And Electrician Grade 2, there are 1 again. And for Security Guard Grade 2, Watcher Grade 2, there are 4. For Police Constable, Armed Police, there are 4 again. Furthermore, these are the rest of the post and the number of vacancies. As I've already said, to the right side of the screen, there are a number of the vacancies mentioned. For Laboratory Technician Grade 2, there are 1. For Pharmacist 2. For Part-time High School Teacher Urdu, there is 1. For Part-time Junior Language Teacher, 1. And in total, we have 358 vacancies. The education qualification requirement is different for all of the posts. So you can check out the post which you want to apply to, and here is the education requirement. So some of them are Assistant Professor in Family Medicine. The education requirement is an MD or DNB. For Veterinary Surgeon Grade 2, degree in Veterinary Science. For Overseer Grade 2 or Draftsman Grade 2, SSLC or equivalent. It is the same for the Lower Division Typist and for Electrician as well. But for Film Officer, the education requirement is a diploma with 3-year course in film direction or cinematography, script writing from a recognized film institution. And for Sound Engineer, you need a diploma, 3 years of course in sound recording and sound engineering from a recognized institution. Further, the post for the Assistant Manager Electrical, degree in Electrical Engineering. For Office Assistant, you need a +2. For Typist Grade 2, SSLC or its equivalent. For Security Officer, SSLC or equivalent. And for UP School Teacher, for Malayalam, the requirement is SSLC examination conducted by the Commissioner for Government Examination, Kerala or its equivalent. For Sewing Teacher, SSLC. For Part-time Junior Language Teacher, it is SSLC again. For Police Constable, passed in the SSLC examinations or its equivalent. Moving on, the rest of the posts which are Lab Technician Grade 2 for Special Recruitment, pre-degree in Science subjects or its equivalent qualification. For Junior Public Health Nurse, passed in their SSLC. For Police Constable, passed in HSC, which is +2 or its equivalent. Assistant Professor in Biochemistry, MD with Biochemistry, DNB Biochemistry, Assistant Marine Surveyor, SSLC or its equivalent. For Instructor in Commerce, the education requirement is a first-class bachelor's degree in commerce from any recognized university, and after undergoing a regular institutional course of study or a diploma in commercial practice awarded, and it should be recognized by the Government of Kerala after 3 years of regular institutional course of study. Further, for Divisional Accountant, the requirement for education is BCom in a first class with not less than 3 years of experience in government undertakings in finance and accounts department. For Driver Grade 2, the requirement is standard 7 or its equivalent. For Foreman, it's degree in mechanical or civil engineering. For Overseer, it is diploma in civil engineering recognized by the government. For Recording Assistant, you need a diploma in 3 years of course in sound recording, sound engineering from a recognized institute. In the absence of a candidate with the above qualifications, the requirement is SSLC with 3 years of experience in professional recording work in a film studio accordingly. And for security guard, passed with the standard 7. And the next post are security guard, you need SSLC. For full-time junior language teacher, SSLC or its equivalent degree in Urdu conferred or recognized by the universities in Kerala. For police constable, you have to be passed in HSC examination, which comes under +2, or its equivalent Rule 10, which is part 2 of the KS and SSSR as it's applicable. Then for pharmacist, passed in SSLC or its equivalent. Further, for pharmacist, passed in SSLC or its equivalent, it is the same for all the grades of homeo. For Ayurveda therapist, it is passed in SSLC or equivalent qualification. For part-time high school teacher Urdu, degree in Urdu and BEd, BT, LT conferred or recognized by the universities in Kerala. Then part-time junior language teacher in Urdu, SSLC or its equivalent qualification is required. For part-time junior language teacher Urdu, SSLC or its equivalent qualification, degree in Urdu conferred or recognized by the universities in Kerala. And the pay scale differs accordingly for all of the posts as mentioned. So these are the posts and this is the pay scale which will be given to the post accordingly. Then for the post of an assistant professor in family medicine, it will be given according to the UGC norms. For the assistant professor in dermatology and venereology, it will be given again by the UGC norms. For veterinary surgeon grade 2, it is rupees 39,500 to 83,000. For overseer, it is starting from 22,200. And then for lower division typist, the scale of the pay as prescribed by the post by the concerned institutions. For electricians, it starts from 18,000. Film officer starting from 13,610. For sound engineer, again it's the same. For assistant engineer electrical, it starts from 11,910. For office assistants, it starts from 9,940. For typists, it starts again from 9,190. Then for maintenance assistant, it's starting from 5,500. For UP school teacher, 25,200. For sewing teacher, it is 25,200 again. For part-time junior language teachers, the starting range is from 18,000. For police constable, it is 22,200. For junior public health nurse grade 2, it is 22,200. For police constable armed police, it is 22,200, which will be the starting range. Furthermore, for the assistant professor in biochemistry, it would be given as per the UGC norms. Then for instructor in commerce, the starting pay scale would start from 30,700. For driver grade 2, it is 9,100, and for foreman, it is 7,990. For overseer, it is 6,680. For recording assistant, it is 5,250. And then for electrician grade 2, it is 3,560. Then for security guard grade 2, scale of the pay as prescribed by the post as concerned by the company or the corporation or by the board. For security guard grade 2 again, the pay scale will be prescribed by the company or the corporation or by the board accordingly. For security guard, it is starting from 2,500. For full-time junior language teacher Urdu, it is 25,200. For police constable for armed police, then it is 22,200. It is the same as for laboratory technician grade 2, it is starting from 22,200. But for pharmacist grade 2, it starts from 20,000. Then for pharmacist grade 2, for homeo, the pay scale would be starting from 22,000 ranging to 45,800. For Ayurveda therapist, it's ranging from 19,000 to 43,600. For part-time high school teacher, it is 19,000 to 43,600, and it's the same almost nearly for the part-time junior language teacher for Urdu. It is 18,000 to 41,500. For part-time junior language teacher Urdu, 18,000 again. And the age limit also differs accordingly. For assistant professor in family medicine, it is 21 to 45 years. For assistant professor in dermatology and venereology, it is 21 to 46 years. For veterinary surgeon, grade 2, it is 18 to 39 years. And these are the rest of the post, and this is the age limit as mentioned to the right side of the screen. Further, the remaining posts as follows. For office assistant, it is 18 to 36 years of age, and it is the same for maintenance assistant. Mechanical for security officer is the same, but it is extending to 46 years, which is 18 to 46. For UP school teacher for Malayalam medium by transfer, as such it is not applicable age limit. And for sewing teacher, High school, the age limit is 18 to 40 years. For part-time junior language teacher, it is 18 to 40 again. But for police constable, it is for telecommunications, it is 18 to 31 years of age. For lab technician grade 2, for special requirement, for SC/ST only, it is 18 to 41 years. For junior public health nurse, 18 to 46 years. And for police constable, 18 to 31. Assistant professor, 21 to 49. Assistant marine surveyor, it is 18 to 41. For instructor in commerce, 18 to 39. Divisional accountant, 18 to 41. And for driver, it is 18 to 39. For foreman, it is 18 to 42. Then for these are the remaining of the post, which again the age limit would be starting to from 18 years and it is extending to 39, 42, 50 years of age, and some are closing to 29 years of age, which is for police constable, which is only for 18 to 29 years is the age limit. And for security guard or for security guard grade 2, the age limit is up to 50 years starting from 18. Then for laboratory technician grade 2, it is 18 to 39. For pharmacist grade 2 homeo, it is 18 to 39. And then for Ayurveda therapist, it is 18 to 39 again. For part-time high school teacher, it is 18 to 43. For part-time junior language teacher, it is 18 to 45. Here is a link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description box as well. So you can check out the description box if you want to access the link directly of how to apply. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarification, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.